My people, I don't bring with a matter from Nigerian Football Club. This one shocked me to my bones. They say that they go for the African Cup nation for qualification. Now, so these people can shock everybody. Everybody they expect say they go use a flight. My people now boat. They pack all of them inside boat. Say that they travel go Benin. Hey Chineke, wetin this government don't show us for this life. I don't know wetin remain for us to see. They pack all of them inside boat. They say that they go Benin Republic. I be make I no just talk too much because I know so now una go dey think say I dey lie. I make this one up. I beg I bring am come on screen so that una go see the shame wey Nigeria government don put us inside. So I beg join me make we watch our superstars.
Alex, let's keep you off.
I'm tired of having.
I understand. Hold. Inside.
Hey. I mean, they did say eagles were meant to fly. No, I don't understand. So our eagles now, they enter boats. They travel by water. Hey. Buhari, make us not talk anything. You are the best president in the whole wide world. You, Buhari, you are the best. In fact, I never see president will be like you for this life. Una don't decide saying a disgrace, una go just disgrace us. No, imagine waiting outsiders now go they think if they see this kind of thing. With all the money where they talk say Nigeria gets, plus the one where they borrow, plus the one where every day una they get meeting on top, and then the ones where una recover from people where thief from all that money, they use boats. I beg, wetin na they use all this money do? Wetin na they use all our money do? We don't even feel okay. Fine, I been want to say private jet before. No, but they deserve them. They deserve them. Now then they represent Nigeria anywhere. So now not even put private jet down. Say, okay, oh, this one now for our eagles. I think say these people get played. Oh, no, make we forgive una small. You know, if you afford a private jet, no problem. But at least, can you not pay these people flights? Even if my economy owned, at least, may they just say they Voila, my people, see them. Our superstars, Nigeria, this one. Now, if this ones go now, they win. Like Mohammed go come, they write letter of congratulations. They give them. Say, you have done well. We are proud of you. We are proud of who? People where they proud of, now not even fit treat them well. No, my people, Nigeria only. I don't know whether to say you don't finish or you almost finish. No, you say, make una think am. But if na them they travel, no, why they know they use boats? To try to economize, to try to save money. Why una know they use boat? If now they travel, una go. In fact, if they get even chance, where they go bring moon down so that una go sit down top, una go do. Very selfish people, very, very selfish. I no just don't understand this kind of thing. Una no dey get shame at all. Like at least before una dey do something, why una no fit sit down say, okay, this thing we won't do. People outside, how it go represent us? How people go see am? No, see the boat safe. No be even say na one classic boat wey we go say, okay. No, una no say we get boats and we get boats. No, you don't say, assuming na one expensive boat now where we dey talk say, at least we fit manage. This one, they go carry out from one mechanic shop. Just bring and put inside water. Say, may they go. Una wickedness, you no get part 2 for this life. You no get. You no get part 2. I don't just understand how these people even they think sometimes. Una they use una head think. I be another part of una body. Una they use and think. And as they go like this, all of una footballers. Make una see, they very attentive because me as I be pick some things. as una dey go, dey carry boat take una, abi? God save una. If una no win this thing, I don't know whether una go trek come back. Abi na bus they go put una inside 2 days journey. Now una and people now dey understand why most of our footballers they prefer to go play outside, like outside Nigeria, because no, the disgrace too much. The disgrace too much. Very soon, not be even very soon. I no go even dey surprised say Nigerian footballers now they know they collect money again. Say nah, many things don't. No, compare the treatment. How much footballers for outside they collect? How much? Nigeria system don't scatter, like everything don't dey. No, this one he reach to shout. My people, he reach to shout. But when me I go get problem with Buhari. Anyhow, I thought say I no go talk am before, make I talk am. If anything happen to my husband, hey, no dey look me like that. Oh, Adam, one of those players. Oh, I no go mention him name so that I go behind now go carry. If anything happen to my husband, me and this man, hey, you will have myself to contend with. In fact, me and you, we go, you go answer me, because you don't go put them inside boat now. Something happen now, the thing capside. I no go make I not talk. My people, I say I go bring the disgrace and shame where they don't put all of us inside. I no fit take am by myself, so I say I go bring her. Wait till you not think Nigeria level just the upgrade. Make I not talk another thing. You understand? So I best start to drop the comment for that comment section concerning your Super Eagles. And if you never subscribe, I best subscribe so that you go dey updated with all the things wey dey happen for this house. No be small thing o. And make sure say you share this video so that everybody go know say na the level wey we don enter be this. Very, very important. Stay tuned for our next story.